that goes to infinity, or a limit as x approaches infinity, of a rational function, which is a function that's a fraction with variables in the denominator and also possibly in the numerator. And then divide both the numerator and the denominator by the order of the denominator. So here the order of the denominator is 3. 3 also happens to be the order of the numerator. So let's multiply 1 over x cubed by the numerator and denominator. The square root of 1 over x to the 6th is the same thing as 1 over x cubed. So let's multiply the square root of 1 over x to the 6th times the numerator. Okay, now let's plug in infinity. So 2 over infinity goes to 0. 0 minus 1, the denominator goes to minus 1. 1 over infinity goes to 0 plus 4. The square root of 4 is 2, so the numerator goes to 2. 2 divided by minus 1 is minus 2. So this limit is equal to minus 2. If you have a limit that goes to infinity, or
okay, check out the original guy who made that video. This guy's Hebert Engineering. At Hebert Engineering. I have to give him the credit because the limit is his. Probably. So I'm just going to teach you a mere substitute method for this. Another method. I'm going to teach you another method. So the limit as x approaches infinity of the square root of 1 plus 4x to the 6th power over 2 minus x cubed equals L. Let us square both sides. So L squared equals the limit as x approaches infinity, the numerator squared, 1 plus 4x to the 6th power, over the denominator squared, 2 minus x cubed squared. L squared, distributing the denominator, we get 2 minus x cubed squared, which is x cubed minus 2 squared, which is x to the 6th power minus 4x cubed plus 4. So we get L squared equals the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 plus 4x to the 6th power over x to the 6th minus 4x cubed plus 4. So take note that 2 minus x cubed approaches a negative number, which is negative infinity. So that means we have to multiply by -1 to make that a positive number. Because this, as it approaches infinity, is a positive number, but this is equivalent to this squared. So you gotta multiply by a negative to make this a positive. Hold up, we gotta multiply by -1 because this approaches a negative, and that squared is a positive, so we gotta multiply by -1. That's what I'm trying to say. So this actually approaches 4 because 4x to the 6th power is the strongest function of x. It increases very fast compared to just 1, which doesn't increase or decrease at all. And x to the 6th power actually increases faster than these combined, so these, as it approaches infinity, is technically 0 compared to x to the 6th power because 4x cubed is this over x cubed. It's as this approaches infinity, this approaches 0 if it's divided by x to the 6th power. So it's 4x cubed as x approaches infinity is 0% of x to the 6th power. So x6 is dominant. So this approach is 4. That is L squared. We can take the square root. L equals 2, but remember that we gotta multiply by -1 because this was negative, but then we squared it and it got positive. So we multiply by -1 and discard the old answer. We get L equals -2.